Alright everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own practice staff. So we'll go over all the tools and all the materials that you need. We have several types of tape here. This is cloth tape. So this is blue and red cloth tape. This is just to color the ends, so it's not 100% necessary, but it does help. Here we've got electrical tape, so we've got white and black electrical tape. This is the grip tape. This is the stuff that you can't get in New Zealand. So if you send us a message, we will send you the tape, and it costs around $10 plus postage for one piece of tape for one staff. And then here we've got bike inner tube. So there you can see the bit where you would pump it up. If you go to a bike store, you can often ask them for free tire tube, and they will give it to you. And here we've got some screws and some washers. And the screws and washers just help keep the tire tube attached to the staff. And then of course we've got our broomstick. This one is the small broomstick from Mitre 10 or Bunnings or any hardware store, or you can use a broomstick that's lying around the house. These are the tools that we will be using. So we've got scissors, a craft knife, a measuring tape, and a drill and a driver. So if you've just got a drill at home, you don't need two, but I have two because it makes it a bit quicker. Alright, and we'll get started everyone. Also, this is the size of tire tube that I like the most. Some are bigger, some are smaller, but this is the one that we use. First, we're going to put a bit of tape at the ends on both sides to show where the grip will stop. So mark out exactly 29 centimeters from the end and do it on both ends. So then you will know where to start your grip. Alright, so now we are going to grip our staffs. So we take a little piece of electrical tape and we take our staffs and we put the grip tape on diagonally. I'll show you what that means in a minute. So we just add a little bit of tape for now. See how it's coming out at 45 degrees to the staff. Not straight down, not straight sideways, but diagonally. And now you turn the staff, you bring the tape down and around, round and around, making sure that there aren't any large gaps and no overlaps, if you can as well. So we'll go round and round slowly, all the way to the end of the staff. And make sure as you are going round and round to pull the grip tape. So you pull it away from the staff and you stretch it before you roll it to really make it stick to the wood and to give yourself a nice solid platform. And there could be a few small holes, that's alright, a few small gaps. Just try and make it as close as you can. Very good. And then when you get to the end, you take the other piece of tape, place it on, and just tape it on nicely. If you've got any extra, you can cut that off with the craft knife at the end. Very good. Alright, and now we're going to put the middle point on the staff. So we use the tape measure. Because the staff is 120 centimeters long, we're going to go to make sure it's lined up at the ends. We're going to go to 600, which will be in the middle. We're going to take our tape, and we're just going to gently place it right in the middle. Nice. And then we'll go around, try and keep it wobbly center point. Goes around once, and then twice. And then you cut the tape. Tear the tape, and you stick it down. And there's your center point. And now we are going to make sure the ends are nice and secure, so they just have a little bit of tape. So what we're going to do is attach our tape and just go around a couple of times just to make sure that all the ends are stuck down really nicely. Do that to both sides, and then your staff is ready to have weights added. And now we will prepare the tire tube. So find the end that has the nozzle and just gently cut the nozzle out. Very good. Put the nozzle aside. Then use the tape measure to find 600 millimeters or 60 centimeters. This is just a nice length for the weight that it gives. And space out the tire tube, cut the end, and do it again. You can use the first tire tube to figure out the length of the second. Awesome. And now we're going to cut along the tire tube. We want a nice flat piece. So you start in the middle and just start to gently cut down. Try not to fall to either side. Stay nicely in the middle. Going all the way down. And doing this for one side. And then doing it on the other piece as well. Alright, now we've got our nice flat tire tube. The next step is to get some tape and the staff. We just get ready to start attaching the weights. So put the tape in the middle, line up the top of the tube with the top of the broom handle, and then just start to bring it around and around, all the way. Very good. Then you hold on tight, and you turn the handle to really get it nice and tight. And then taking the tape, holding the edge down, you use the tape to secure the staff. And we do one around the middle, one around the top, and one around the bottom. Now this tape will help a little bit to stop the staff from losing its weights. But the next part is what really helps attach the ends. So we take our screws, take our washers, take our drill, we take our driver. And first we take the drill and we find the end. As you can see, there's the gap there where it's been turned over. So we're going to drill right in there. We just make a little hole. We take a screw. We take a washer to go around the screw. Put the driver on. And then we just put it in. And you don't want to go too far down because the screw will get lost inside the tire tube. You just want it to be nicely in the tube, and this really holds the weight onto the end. Alright, and for the last part, if you did get the tape, you just take a small amount, and I like to start just past this area, just past the line. So we go right up to the line, and we're going to make sure that it's equal with the bottom of the staff, and then you just gently go around once, trying to get it nice and straight, and then you want to go around 2 times. And this is where the craft knife works a bit better than the scissors. There we go, and that's the bottom bit done. And then for the top bit we do the same, just around the side, not going too close to the top, and trying to keep it nice and straight, so we come all the way around. Very good, everyone. Use the craft knife to get the end off, and you've finished your end. And then you do the other end, and your staff is done. Very good.